guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about skincare, and this is just a list of my products, and it may seem extensive, but I guarantee you it's totally worth it. And usually my skincare process is about 7 to 9 steps, but today it will be 8, and it usually depends on if it's a masking day, exfoliating, acne treatment, or anything of that sort. So I'm going to start off with my Green Clean by Pharmacy, and I love this product, and I actually just was put onto this product because this is the only product I can put on my eyelashes and wipe off, and literally none of my eyelashes come off because it's super gentle and it's super, cleansing, and it just literally melts the makeup off of my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my eyelashes and take it off, and then I'm gonna also do my lips next. And I know it may look hard, but I guarantee you I'm like super gentle with it, and none of my eyelashes came out literally at all. And I'm just go ahead and wipe my whole face, although I don't have any face makeup on, to just get it wet. Next is my natural homemade oil cleanser with black soap and coconut oil. And I love double cleansing because although I don't wear too much face makeup anymore, it does get all of the gunk and stuff off of my face because I do have very, very oily skin. And I just go ahead and rub this in. As you can see, it's sudsing up. By the end, it will be very, very oily, but I love it because not only does African black soap clear up my acne, the oil balances it out so it wouldn't strip too much of my natural skin's barrier, and it moisturizes my skin. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe this all off with a towel. Next is my charcoal cleansing foam by Ruby Kisses, and if anything has charcoal in it, for my oily skin lovers, this will be your best friend. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take about a pea size amount of this, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my skin. And then I'll also add a little bit of water to it, as you can see, just to activate the foam. And I love to go in circular motions and to really get this into my skin, just because when you go in circular motions and push up, it prevents wrinkles and it prevents sagging as well. Next, I'm going to just go ahead and take this all off with my towel, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just be using a towel and a bowl of water because I do not want to keep running back and forth to the bathroom. Next is my favorite exfoliator by St. Ives Acne Control, the Apricot Scrub. And my grandma actually put me onto this a few years ago, and I literally absolutely love it. I do alternate my beauty routine, but this is my favorite scrub by far. And I just put a little bit, as you can see, about a pea amount, and I rub it all over my face. And I actually prefer physical exfoliator over chemical because every time I use a chemical exfoliator, I always end up breaking out. So the physical exfoliator, still gets down in my pores. I can feel it. It takes off all the dead skin, leaving my face feeling smooth like it's a baby's bottom. Now this is the hard part. I only use the towel for the purpose of this video, but I recommend that you go rinse this off literally without the towel, because as you can see, I'm going back and forth with the towel, and even after I went over it with the towel about 3 times, I still had to go back and rinse this off in the bathroom because it's so many little beads that I need off. Now it's toning time, and this isn't Pixie toner. This is actually an apple cider vinegar toner that I made and I'm trying out, and I absolutely love it, but I will be using it with my tea tree oil. So I'm just go ahead and take a little bit of the apple cider vinegar toner, and I like this toner because it has antibacterial properties. Really, it has so many benefits. I use it for weight loss as well, but it's cheap, it's affordable, it's a perfect natural toner. I use it more as an antibacterial treatment, only because it doesn't get as much dirt off as the tea tree oil does, which you will see in the next clip. And as you can see, not too much dirt off, but just wait when I add the tea tree oil, you will see how much dirt was still left behind even after a double cleansing. So just take a little bit of that and make sure the tea tree oil is diluted because you do not want to burn your face. But since I already had the apple cider vinegar toner on there, I didn't have to add any water. So I'm going to just take that and rub it through my whole face, concentrating on the acne areas because it does reduce blemishes and dark spots. And as you can see, look at how much dirt came off that was in my pores even after the double cleansing. Next is my rice water, and it's only a little bit left, which is okay because today I was going to make some more anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and dip a napkin inside, and only a napkin because I ran out of cotton balls. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this all over my face. And I love rice water because not only does it brighten the skin, it improves the elasticity in the skin, prevents wrinkles, prevents sun damage. Like, it just does so much. And I use it for my hair, my skin, my face, just literally everything. I just love it. And I usually do my facial massages, but in this video I didn't, so I don't know why. Next is my Garnier eye roller, anti-puff roller, and this I just actually started using a few days ago, but I've noticed when I put it in the fridge it works better. I put it under my eyes, I put it in my smile lines, and I put it in my on my forehead or anywhere where wrinkles or any puffiness appears. And it actually works. Now, as far as brightening, I'll give another review on that, but as far as anti-puffiness, especially for the eyes, it most definitely works. Next is my salicylic acid, and this is my acne treatment by Clean and Clear. So I'm gonna just go ahead and dab this on any blemishes I see, any just recovering blemishes that already popped, which you're not supposed to pop, but you know, I have a hard time with that, or any upcoming blemishes that I see that's kind of trying to poke through the skin, and I just go ahead and plop that on. I just let that dry for a few secs. Then after that, I just go ahead and pat that on my face. And I love this treatment because if you want to get rid of zits overnight, this is literally the zit popper, like for overnight. And sometimes even after my skincare is my routine is finished, I'll go ahead and just put some on and just won't pat it in, and I'll leave it on overnight, and I wake up and it's literally gone. Next is my favorite lotion by Neutrogena Hydro Boost, and I love this product so much. I used to not put lotion on my skin because I felt like I had oily skin, and anything I put on my skin just made it worse and more oilier. So I love this because it's a gel consistency, and although it's made for extra dry skin, it literally stops my oil production. Like, I don't even have oily skin anymore. Like, this is just literally my favorite product. So for oily skin lovers, this is for you. And this is my skin literally after I finished almost everything. I didn't even put the oil on yet. Last but not least is the coconut oil, and I love coconut oil. I use this for everything as well. I know they say coconut oil is about a 4 or 5 on a comedogenic scale. I don't know if I said that right, but it does not clog my pores. I'm gonna let you know that. I think this is probably best maybe for oily skin people, not dry skin. Maybe it clogs their pores, but for my skin, this literally works so good, and I use it for everything, and it gives me this beautiful glow and contains lauric acid. And as you can see, look at this glow. I don't even have highlighter, no filter, like literally nothing. My skin is literally glowing. But I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep. Good night. And this is my skin in the morning, literally the next day. The 2 bumps that I did have on my cheek are gone. And this is my skin literally 2 days later. The bumps are completely gone and the dark spots are gone as well. And subscribe, make sure you guys remember that, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Animo. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Goodbye.